Hey everyone, it's Renee Roxanne. So I was really trying to see what is the hype with the natural hair community wearing their silk press for a month plus. For me, it's been 22 days with this silk press and I don't recommend anyone extending this style out for 1 month. I believe to maintain beautiful, healthy hair, your scalp must first be properly cleansed. You should be washing your scalp every week to every 2 weeks if you ask a professional. I usually wear my silked out hair for maximum 2 weeks at a time. Instead of wanting to wear my hair out, I was feeling unhappy with how ratty my ends were looking, and I felt myself getting stuck as I ran my fingers through. I'm thinking it's time for a trim. I know y'all see the short hair in the back because I've been anxiously pulling at my hair. At this point, I really wanted to wet my hair, but I was trying to see what the hype was truly about. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you're the first to see when I post a new video. Now let's get right into trimming my hair. I'm using a parting tool from the Osensia paddle brush and parting my hair directly down the middle, and then taking the parts from the middle of my head down to the side of my head, right behind the ear. I'm then going to detangle and brush this section out, wrap it up into a bun, and use a butterfly clip to keep it out of the way, and the same thing for the right side. For this back section, I am detangling my hair. For this entire 20-something days, I have actually just been finger detangling and using a boar bristle brush when needed, but I wasn't actually using a paddle brush or a detangler to get all of the knots and tangles out. So this is when you really need to properly brush and detangle your hair so that it is nicely stretched and not free for you to start trimming. To trim this section, I am doing so in parts, starting from the nape of my neck and working my way up to the middle of my head. I am using a butterfly clip to keep the rest of this section out of the way. Then I'm going to split this section in half. I was actually going to trim my hair in this old shirt, but I forgot I got my husband this cape, so why not use it? And I'm also using his barber clipper combs that I'm going to split my hair into half, comb this section out, and I'm actually going to split it in half again. I just want to show you guys what my ends are looking like. They are not so much split, they just look limp, boring, possibly brittle. You know, they're the oldest part of your hair, so you just want to go ahead, trim up that bad boy, and make the hair look as clean and sleek as possible so it looks flowy and it doesn't get tangled together when your hair is curly in its natural state. So again, I'm going to split that section into another half and keep that hair out of the way and work with just small areas at a time. I know people don't like to go in and do defined cuts, but these are the areas that really get knotted and tangled, especially when you're wearing your hair in wash and go styles. The back of the neck and the nape of the neck area is where I have a lot of tangles and breakage, hence to why the hair is shorter in this area. I want to make sure that I'm being attentive and getting rid of this old, dead, dry hair that's serving no purpose. So you see it's not split, but wherever the hair starts to thin out the most, where it's not having that beautiful dark shadow, go ahead and trim straight across. It's really not that much hair and it doesn't look pretty while it's out. So get rid of it, ladies. Now comb out that section and look how smooth that is. Nice clean cut straight across, and it looks beautiful, and my hair will thank me for it. The last time I had trimmed my hair was 7 weeks ago. Since I did apply heat to my hair twice within that time, and I will be reverting my hair back in just a few short days, I might as well do a trim now. I believe in getting consistent trims for everyone. Your hair health will determine just how often you should trim your ends. Every 4 to 12 weeks is recommended depending on how you manipulate your hair and the condition of your strands. For every row that I create, I'm going to twist my hair, roll it like a finger coil to make it nice and tight, and then wrap it around itself and secure it with a bobby pin. And then move on to the next row to continue trimming. This is what I'm going to do to my entire head. And I hope you guys do enjoy this video as I go through and trim my hair. If you want to see a quality detailed trim, you can go ahead and check out my detailed trim video where I have an extensive talk through. Go ahead and click that card above to see my trim from 7 weeks ago. I am applying Jamaican black castor oil to protect and seal my ends directly after the trim. If you want to see a detailed video about castor oil and its wonderful benefits on split ends, go ahead and click that card above. I know I am creating a pretty intricate style. I promise you it's very simple, but I will create another video for you guys, so make sure you click that card above or check the description box below. Very important, anytime I do my hair, I'm always remembering to stay hydrated or drinking my teas or Gatorade. So stay on top of that, ladies. That's the one main way to get your hair to grow long and strong and stay healthy, is drinking your water. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you will continue to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Okay, I'm going to stop talking now. I completely finished the entire back sections, and now I'm going to move on to these two sections in the front, doing exactly the same technique. I hope you enjoyed this video. You will see me in the next one. Bye for now.